4 News starts right now.
Thank you, Steve. We all know credit bureaus track how we pay our credit bills, but did you know there's another bureau tracking checking account activity?
Problem solver Connie Thompson is next to tell us why more people are being blocked from opening checking accounts and how you can get a second chance. Mess up your credit and you know what you get, a lousy credit score and higher interest rates.
Mess up your checking account and banks can turn you away for years unless you know about this. Problem solver Connie Thompson has more on this tactic for tough times. Connie?
Dan, Eric, most of us know about the 3 main consumer reporting agencies that track our credit histories, but there's another agency that deals with banking history. A bad banking report can block you from opening a checking account for as long as 5 years unless you know how to get a second chance. To cut down on chronic overdrafts and mishandled bank accounts, banks and credit unions turn to a reporting agency that tracks problem customers and shares the information. It's called Check Systems. Negative checking and savings account information stays on your record for 5 years.
It's a watchdog for all checks that are written.
This local fraud victim got flagged in the Check System database after a counterfeit check scam overdrew his account by thousands of dollars.
I can't open up an account anywhere else.
A pattern of problems on your Check Systems report can get you cut off from banking almost everywhere. But some banks will give you a second chance.
The idea of the second chance checking is that they don't look at that. They give you that second chance.
Danny Small coordinates financial literacy classes for Tacoma Goodwill. Dozens of organizations offer classes like this to help consumers of all ages learn how to manage money and get back on track. Complete the course, and some banks will give you a fresh start through their Second Chance program. The money management course is mandatory. You get a new restricted checking account, and you have to pay a fee, typically $9 to $10 a month. You'll be on probation for up to 6 months. Avoid bounce checks and overdrafts during probation, and the fees are lifted. You're once again eligible for a mainstream checking account. Now, not all financial institutions use Check Systems, and they all don't offer a second chance program. So if bad habits in the past have you shut out of mainstream checking and you're ready to be responsible, ask around. And if you do get a second chance, don't blow it, because there is no third chance. Also want you to know that you are legally entitled to a free Check System report every year about your banking, just like with your credit reports. For more information on all of this, go to the consumer page of KOMO-News.com. Dan, Eric?
Thank you, Connie. You'll soon have to take an extra step.